welcome back to my kitchen, baking with Mama. So let's get started. I'm going to make, and I know that this looks like a lot of ingredients, but I'm going to be making homemade zucchini vegan bread. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I'd like to do my dry ingredients. Okay, so let's start out with 2 cups of flour. I'm going to make quite a bit here. So let's start out with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. These are 1/4 of a cup because they fit really good down in my bag here. So let's start off with 2 cups of flour. Okay, 2 cups of flour. And then I like this oat bran. I like to add some kind of bran to my muffins or my cakes or my breads or anything. And it's real fine. It's high in fiber. So I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of oat bran. Okay, you just mix that together, and then I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I don't add a whole lot of salt, but I'll just go with that. I don't measure my salt because I don't add a whole lot. And really, tell you the truth, I don't even know if you need to add any. But, and then I don't have this open, so I'll add a teaspoon of allspice. So then you just mix that all together. And the other day I was telling you that 1 egg equals 1 tablespoon of flaxseed milk and 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to get my egg started in, my wet ingredients started in this bowl because the flaxseed milk will be wet. So there's 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 eggs substitute. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just kind of beat it up. There you go. See how that is? Okay, because I'm making a double batch of this, because I would like to give some out, I am going to put a cup of sugar in, but usually I do a 1/2 cup of sugar for my loaf, because I usually only have 1 1/2 of flour. But this time I put 2 cups of flour in and a 1/2 cup of bran. So I'm going to go ahead and do almost a cup of sugar. It's about 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to put my sugar in there. And because I don't add any oil, I use unsweetened applesauce. Very important. Use unsweetened applesauce, and I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of applesauce. Okay, Okay, so then I'm going to add my zucchini. My zucchini's from my garden, and so I froze it. So this is frozen zucchini from my garden. I'm gonna go ahead and, there was 3 cups in here, and I don't need 3 cups. So I'm gonna put about a cup, because this is a half a cup, and I just put a half a cup in there. So I'm gonna put about a cup of zucchini. And a lot of people squeeze out all the juice or all the wetness out of your zucchini. I like to leave some in it because it makes the bread more moist. But that's up to you. You can squeeze more of it out, or take a paper towel and kind of squeeze it out. But I like I said, I like to leave it in. Also, if you have picky kids and they see green in their zucchini bread, they might not want to eat it. So you might want to peel your zucchinis first, but I don't. I just grate my whole zucchini. I wash my zucchini, and then from the garden, I wash it really good, and then I cut off the ends, and then I just grate it and stick it in freezer bags and put it in the freezer for another day. Okay, and then I want to add about 3/4 of almond milk to it. Now, zucchini bread is something that takes at least, you can go ahead and check it after 50 minutes, but usually about an hour in the oven at 350. I'm going to go ahead and add walnuts, because like I told you the other day, my family love walnuts. So I'm going to go ahead and add walnuts to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the vegan Enjoy sweets. And I told you could find these probably in your bakery aisle at the store. I'm running low on quite a bit of my things, so I have a friend that's going to the store today, so she's going to be picking me up a lot of the stuff that I need to keep baking for y'all. She's more than just a friend. I've known her for years. You know, it's something how your friends can become family. You know, she feels like a daughter to me. Okay, so let's mix our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. Here we go. Stir it in as you go. Oh yeah. Okay, it's ready to go in our pan. And you see it's got kind of a form of bread. This is zucchini bread. So like it's not gonna pour out into your pan, but just put it all the way around your pan like that. And it will be great. All right, so I'll put it in here for an hour. It sure does smell good. And then if you wanted to just make it a little bit more pretty, you could take powdered sugar and just kind of sprinkle it on there and give it a little bit of white on there. But I'm not going to do anything with it. I think it's beautiful the way it is. So there's my zucchini Danish roll. And then my cake was done also, so I'll go ahead and pull that out and show you what that looked like. Now the cake, I actually went ahead and put some cran raisins in it. To make it, to just have some more nutrition in it. And instead of sugar, in my cake, I used maple syrup, pure maple syrup. So made it a little bit more healthier. But yeah, just experiment. Try to eat as healthy as you can. And I'll see you next time. Bye.